Enter the land of divine tranquility, a place where nature has preserved its virginity to be discovered by you. A canvas painted with a million hues of greens and blues. As you cross the Surat-Vansda highway, a mesmerizing canvas done by nature starts unfolding before your eyes. This is the site for the upcoming dream project of TR Developers, Woods and Valley, a paradise on earth. This dreamland is situated in the heart of a peaceful village named Sara, with beautiful lush green natural forest and hills surrounding it, which would energize and refresh your senses, making it a perfect destination for any admirer of nature. Our project of Woods and Valley is a compilation of 12 beautiful, eco-friendly and comfortable forest homes. These homes provide you with a unique blend of affordable luxury, elegant style, serene surroundings, fine architecture and comforts of technology. The fertile soil, ample source of natural sweet water and the drip irrigation facility provided to each home is favorable for plantation of all kinds. Each home at Woods and Valley is surrounded by fully grown trees like mango, sitafal and bamboo, which is a special attraction for nature lovers and adds to the scenic beauty of the home. These are some of the amazing tourist destinations which has easy access and are very close to this weekend home. Padam Dungri is just 1 kilometer away from this weekend home. Vansda Bazaar, from where one can shop day-to-day grocery, is within 5 kilometers from project site. Waghai National Park, a core forest area, is just 4 kilometers away. Unai is famous for hot water spring, is 7 kilometers away from weekend home. Juj Dam, a perfect picnic spot, is 12 kilometers away. Massive Gira waterfall is within 15 kilometers. Chankhal is 8 kilometers away. South Gujarat's one and only hill station, Saputara, is within 50 kilometers reach. What further adds to the uniqueness of this weekend homes at Woods and Valley is the easy access to some of the amazing nearby tourist destinations such as the breathtaking Gira waterfalls, which provide the most picturesque sights in the district. The Juj Dam and the Juj Lake, which provide a perfect picnic spot. Saputara is Gujarat's only hill station and has beautiful locations to visit. Vansda Bazaar, from where one can shop day-to-day grocery. We at Woods and Valley are aiming at providing our residents with a comfortable living within a forest zone. The high-quality design of this luxury homes ensures safety, convenience, comfort and superior lifestyle within a beautiful hillside view all day long. Nature around this place has a magnetic charm which attracts and enchants you. An out-of-the-world place where you would enjoy the comfort of being in the laps of Mother Nature. The youngsters could indulge into adventures offered by the surroundings. The elderly people could enjoy the calmness of this beautiful place, thus making this forest homes a perfect weekend destination as people of all age groups can enjoy and relax in their own unique ways. How about owning a place where you can just sit back and enjoy the ultimate luxury of life called time? Architecture. Around 950 square yards farmhouse land with plantation and landscape. Around 2,300 square feet construction of villa having 2 bedrooms with attached toilet bathroom. Living room and kitchen with dining space and wash. 350 square feet balcony attached with bedroom. Comfort. 1 LCD TV, 2 AC and 1 fridge. Fully furnished bedroom. Granite kitchen with trolley. Semi-furnished living room. Individual swimming pool. Personal fireplace and barbecue. Pathway and mountain bike. Nature. Individual plot covered with fully grown-up trees like mango, sitafal and bamboos. Drip irrigation facility for each unit. Calm nature, fresh air and silent vicinity. Surrounded by lush green forest and mountains. Woods and Valley, a forest retreat developed by Tia Developers. For booking and inquiry, you can call on 98251 11012 and 98251 25065 or log on to www.tiadevelopers.com. So come and be a part of this unforgettable experience by owning a plot in Woods and Valley. It is like owning a plot in paradise on earth, which combines the scenic beauty and peace at its best.